Hi, it's Simon from Gilbert at Croydon here. Today I'm going to show you the brand new HiLux SR5. So here we have the brand new HiLux SR5. This particular model that we see is the double cab chassis, so it's got the tray on the back. The newest upgrade for the HiLux SR5 is a 2.8 turbo diesel engine. It's got 150 kilowatts of power and now has 3.5 towing capacity. The HiLux SR5 comes standard with the smart entry and smart start. You got the new upgraded multimedia display screen with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and comes standard now with built-in sat-nav as well with the vehicle. All your steering wheel mounted controls, lane keep assist, pre-collision warning system, radar cruise control. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to call in. We're at 2 to 14 Parramatta Road in Croydon. Thank you very much.